Hi everyone, my name is Chef Ray Alongi. I'm the executive chef of Turner's Yard Gastropub in Pembroke, Mass. Today I'm going to show you how we do our version of a goat cheese and pesto ravioli. I think you're going to really like this. What we've done is we've made some raviolis using a couple eggs, some flour, some salt, some olive oil. We've rolled it together, we've made a dough out of it. We've taken that dough, we ran it through what's known as a pasta roller. What this does, it cranks, you lay your pasta through it, and it makes it very, very thin. From there, we take it and put it on this little machine right here. We lay it out, we fill it, and then we cut the little raviolis. After you make the raviolis, you take the raviolis and you put them in salted boiling water for about 7 to 8 minutes or until they start to float. That's what we've done here. I've taken my raviolis and I'm going to cook it in pesto. What pesto is basil, spinach, some pine nuts, some garlic, some olive oil, and it's pureed into like a little bit of a paste, if you will. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to add some olive oil to my pan. I want to make it I want to thin it out a little bit, and I don't want to add water to it. So what we've got is some beautiful pesto. We're going to put this in here. Going to get that really, really warm. And this is a real simple dish to do. You can do this with any store-bought raviolis. You can do this with any store-bought pesto. It doesn't really matter. So I'm laying my raviolis in here. A little bit on the warm side. So I'm going to use my tongs. These just came out of hot water. Okay. I'm going to let those cook for a few seconds. And it's some great, great color on the pesto. Such a vibrant green. I like cutting pesto when I make it with spinach because it doesn't have that sharp, sharp basil flavor. Although I love basil, I don't want to have it too overpowering. So these look great. Now, I'm going to plate these in a big square plate just because I want to have a little bit of some room to eat and I don't want them falling all over the place. Wow, these look great. Perfect. Now, what I'm going to do with the rest of the sauce is I'm going to use it like a dressing. I'm going to place it over the raviolis, maybe a little on the garnish on a plate. So I'm going to put a little bit on the edge of the plate. You can do that. You can just finish it on top, and there you have it. My name is Chef Ray Alongi, and this is a goat cheese and spinach pesto ravioli.